To avoid component damage, do not remove or install memory modules or PHMs when the tray is out of the server. Remove the 4 screws from the expansion tray and secure the 2 brackets to the expansion tray with these screws. Make sure the expansion tray air baffle is installed on the system board. Align the processor and memory expansion tray with the 2 pairs of guides at the side of the chassis and then lower the tray into the chassis. If necessary, route the 2 PCIe cables through the cable guides and connect them to the expansion tray. Push the handle down to secure the processor and memory expansion tray. Install both PCIe riser cages or fillers, the chassis air baffle, and the PCIe expansion tray. Install the top cover.